No effect on your personal credit when you apply. No registered business entity required. Today's video, we got a major game changer. I'm gonna be sharing with you a business credit card that you can get even if you don't have a registered business. There's absolutely no hard credit check. This is one of the only soft pull only approvals. So they're just doing a soft pull on your personal credit and you don't have to provide any documentation. So no financials, profit and loss, tax returns. They don't even ask for bank statements. This right here is an absolute game changer. We're talking about the Affinity Finance Business Credit Card. As I mentioned, available nationwide, so no geographic restrictions. Soft pull only, so you won't get a hard inquiry on your credit report, and there's no documentation required. Affinity Finance is a fintech company. So last year they raised about $62 million. They launched a credit product that is really going after small business. So they have a small business credit card and modern spend management platform tailored for business owners who have been overlooked and underserved. Small and medium businesses account for 90% of the U.S. economy, are essential to everyday American life, yet many of these businesses face substantial challenges within the financial system that hasn't evolved to meet their needs. With outdated tools, limited access to capital, 77% of small businesses report struggling to access funds. They are often viewed as high-risk borrowers by traditional banks. While there's no shortage of fintech solutions for the Fortune 500 and venture-backed startups, the forgotten 90% of traditional small businesses have remained underserved. According to the co-founder of Affinity, we decided to build a solution for the 90% of GDP, all these traditional small businesses that Silicon Valley is not serving today. A lot of the fintechs, let's say the Brex, the Ramps, the Divvies, a lot of these fintechs cater to venture-backed startups, not your mom and pop startup, not business owners like you and I who maybe only have a couple of employees or maybe we're single member LLCs. It's really hard to get access to financing when you don't have established revenue or when you don't have venture backing. Affinity's revolving credit card offers interest-free period of up to 55 days with the flexibility to carry balances. Unlike other solutions, Affinity's underwriting process evaluates both the personal credit of the business owner and the overall health of the business. Now, what Affinity Finance does is partner with different industry groups, affinity groups, or even professional associations and offer a co-branded credit card. So there's different associations that you can join. You have the National Association of Government Contractors. You also have the American Apartment Owners Association. There's also the National Association of Realtors. So there's a handful of different affinity groups that you can join. Here's just a list of them. Now, just to kind of explain what this is. All right, so you have Affinity Finance, which is the fintech company, but behind them, their sponsor bank is Patriot Bank. And Patriot Bank actually works with a handful of different fintechs to provide the financing for these different card programs, and a card network is going to be MasterCard. Now, right now, here's just a list of some of the different card programs that they have. So in the medical profession, pharmacy, HVAC, laundry, government contractors, landlords and property managers, you have independent automobile dealerships, as well as real estate. So you can click on any of these. If you are a part of any of these associations, you could definitely join both. Now, the one that I think is going to have the easiest membership is going to be the American Apartment Owners Association. So if you own any type of real estate, you can join this for free. And what I would recommend is that you join one of these before actually applying, because they will verify if you actually are eligible based on if you actually are a member of one of these associations. But this one, low hanging fruit, you can actually join this one practically for free. So they have different membership tiers with the American Apartment Owners Association, but you could join this one right now for free, absolutely free. And that's pretty much all you need. So when you do go to apply, they already can check to see if you're a member. Again, this is just going to be specifically for the American Apartment Owners Association, World Elite MasterCard. All the other cards are pretty much the same. It's going to have the same look and feel, the same features. It might have a slightly different spending bonus. So in general, you're going to get 2.1% unlimited cash back on all purchases. You get a bonus, a $500 bonus. There's also no annual fee, unlimited employment cards. They have integration with QuickBooks. Right here, there's no effect on your personal credit when you apply. And right now here, no registered business entity required. Now, the business application is very straightforward. You can fill this out within about 2 minutes. So I'm not going to go over that, but I did want to share some data points. So they will be doing a soft pull on your personal credit. So you will have to provide your social security number. But again, it's just a soft pull only. So if you get approved, you're not going to get hard pulled. If you get denied, you're not going to get hard pulled. It's 100% soft pull approvals. You do not have to provide any bank statements, no documentation. As far as which bureau they're going to be pulling from, it's going to be your personal Equifax credit report. So they're going to be looking at Equifax, just a soft pull. You don't have to provide tax returns, pay stubs. You don't have to connect with Plaid. So this right here is an absolute game changer. Now, when you do apply, it usually takes about 1 to 2 business days before you get a decision. You should join one of these associations before you actually apply, because they will be checking to see if you are actually a member. Fortunately, some of these associations you can actually join for free with zero money out of pocket, so 100% free. The American Apartment Owners Association is one example where you can join for free. Or maybe you're already like a realtor, or you own a car dealership, or you work in the medical field. There's several different associations that you can join to be eligible to apply for this card. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Let me know your comments and questions right down below. And until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.